So, quick change of plans. August is being a little terror this morning. I don't know what's gotten into this kid lately, but it's that age, right? He's about 16 months as of 2 days ago. So, I'm guessing it's starting to peak at this phase. Look at this little guy. He seems like super cute, but this kid, man, don't let those looks fool you. That kid is up to no good constantly. Snotty nose, all that jazz. Anyway, we're looking for a new diner, taking for a little walk around the block. Hopefully he calms down. We could sit, eat, enjoy a beautiful Saturday morning here in Brooklyn. Right, kid? Can we at least do that, huh? So apparently the place that we're going is rated #1 places to eat in this neighborhood. And what's the name of this spot?
For brunch. I think it's
for
called
brunch? Revival. So I'm gonna give my honest review, honestly, because you know it gotta go through me first. It's 100.
Hannah, sorry.
Still gotta teach them. So we just finished wrapping up at Reunion. It wasn't, what did we call it, Revival? It wasn't Revival, it's called Reunion. It's a Israeli spot. Not usually my cup of tea, but it was delicious. I had, I can't even pronounce what I had, but it was really good. It was their popular menu. It's popular on their menu. I'm gonna leave the link in the description because that's what I'm gonna start doing now. As I start to experience new things, I'll show them some love, and you can show them some love too by going there, right? Anyway, we're going back to the house where I got some editing work to do. They're gonna go for a little walk, these guys, and then I'm gonna just go out and explore some more too before we have some festivities later on tonight. All right, so let's get after that. We are back at the spot right now, and I'm getting ready to edit. Funny, it's basically yesterday's episode. So I am sitting down right now at the table editing yesterday's episode. So if you haven't seen yesterday's episode yet, I highly recommend that you go and watch it, even though I'm still in the process of doing it right now. But yeah, this is how it goes. This is like my little workflow. I edit an episode and then post it for the next day, just so that I'm all caught up and I get to, you know, dive deep into my creative faculties and whatnot. But yeah, I'm getting ready to do that right now. Got my earbuds in, going to select the track and start building. Where are we at, Melissa?
Hey, what's up? We're in McCarran Park, hanging out on a Saturday morning. We brought little man down to hang out.
Look at him running off.
Oh, there he goes.
Just took a nap.
I really want you guys to move to Brooklyn.
Yo.
And then I'll have a baby, and our babies will play together.
There you go. You see, here's an endorsement. See? Brooklyn.
Brooklyn, yo. That's what's up. You move here,
but
I'll get knocked
I'm
up.
Definitely gonna come back here like all summer basically.
Please.
Probably make 3-4 trips down here this
Good.
summer.
You can stay.
At
I'll
least
give you
before.
keys that you can just permanent your copy of my keys, and you can come stay with me whenever.
Boom. Oh yeah. By the way, gang, we're going to Burning Man with Melissa.
Yeah. We're gonna have a
that's
great
going
summer.
to be summer's going to be awesome.
Yep.
Can't wait. And yeah, you've been plenty of times. I've never been.
I've only been one time. Dave's gone a bunch of times.
Oh yeah, Dave's been a bunch of times.
We're gonna take you guys.
We're gonna take you guys along, and we're gonna make a little movie. And Erin is going to score the movie. She just doesn't know that yet. She's gonna score it, do her little magic, yada yada yada. And yeah, so also, do you want to tell the gang what we got planned later? Because you know we can't take them along. I'm just gonna share a story on what occurred, but can you give us some like preview to what we got going on later?
Yeah, so I work at a place called the House of Yes, and I just started producing our regular monthly variety shows, one of which is called FOREPLAY. And yeah, so we are taking baby to grandma's house, and we're gonna have a night out at the House of Yes, and it's a super
adult
show.
Sort of show and
party.
So
yeah, so we're gonna get this mama and papa to let loose a bit.
Yeah, exactly.
Have some
you
fun
know, so
in
grandma, mom, you're gonna have fun with August while the kids get to have adult fun later. So yeah, it's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun.
Anyways, that's it for this segment. I'm going to be chilling with the fam. And then I'll check back in after all of these events have occurred, all right? So stay tuned. Currently, we at my mother's house and dropping Gus off to spend the night with her. The lighting is a little, he's getting comfortable now. You know, he's just having his little fits, but that's how he is. He like cries, screams bloody murder, but once everybody guards is down, he just turns up. So that's what he's doing right now. He's like running around helping grandma. Yeah, with the cleaning and all that. So yeah, they're gonna have fun. You gonna have fun?
Yay! I'm gonna have fun with my grandson. He's here helping me cleaning. Right, Gus? Helping grandma cleaning. And we're going to the park later. I'm gonna bring him to the park.
Awesome.
So he can have more fun with grandma in the park. Make grandma work a lot too. Now he's cleaning the floor for grandma. He's cleaning.
Yeah, so they're gonna have fun. I'm gonna head back to the crib and go freshen up for tonight's festivities. Yep. So have fun with your grandson, all right, Mom?
The time that I was doing this, it was exactly what you would have wanted to do. Like, can I be on this?
Who are you?
All right, peeps, it's the end of the night. The show at the House of Yes is over. Yo, peep your dog mask your boy got on. All right. Now we're just headed to another bar. Yo, Melissa, she's like freaking amazing. So I highly recommend that you pay attention to her and the House of Yes, because they put on an amazing show, amazing event. So tonight we're just going to spend, it's pushing 11 p.m. We're gonna go all night basically. So I'm gonna end this video here. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your guala, guys. Peace.